complete my graduation degree at Aditya Engineering College, and I am with the stream of CSC IoT. Here I joined Pyspiders in the year 2024 in the month of April first week. As I took a best decision to joining Pyspiders because it is one of the best platform we can learn more things in this. So I joined in April month. First month I took a front end part like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It is trained by Rashman. This is completely basic to advanced level where I can learn more technologies in this technology. So by completing mock tests, assignments, all these things, I trained more and more. After that, after completion of JSON or everything, I went to Python full stack. In this Python, they mentioned the basics level concepts to advanced level with the real-time projects also. So I can perform more. Actually, I am from zero knowledge. I gain full knowledge here only by completing the Python as a Python student. I gain more knowledge with real-time projects. After this, I am completed with SQL also, which is trained by Karishma ma'am. She teaches very well, which is basic level to advanced level. Because I can perform some operations also. After that, I went from Django framework, which is completed by Sagar sir. He's the one of the best trainer because he teaches real-time projects, giving projects and working on same projects. As of now, I complete my full stop and I can adjust my skills to join Pyspiders. I can sell that this is the one best platform who can develop our skills in the IT field. So thank you, Pyspiders.